the flood scenario in Assam continues to worsen, with the eastern Assam district of Tinsukia, Dibrugarh and Sivsagar being worst affected. Urban life in Dibrugarh town has been adversely affected as the flood waters in the town have not receded. It is being alleged that poor drainage system in the town has resulted in inundation of more than 90% of the town. People in many parts of the Dibrugarh district have been compelled to take refuge in temporary shelter camps in school. Although the Dibrugarh district administration has stepped up measures to tackle the situation, like installing high power pumps to pump out water, the measures seem to be not enough, at least up till now. Alright viewers, we are joined live with our Eastern Assam's Bureau Chief Ripunjay Das. Well, Ripunjay, the flood situation in Assam worsened as water entered 4 fresh districts, where we have learned that Dhemaji is the worst affected, followed by Sivsagar and Dibrugarh. More details.
Yes, Priyana, we have been reporting for the last few days about the floods in particularly in Upper Assam and eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh. But today we would like to show that how these urban floods have made almost life hell for the people of Dibrugarh town, which is in fact you can say the second largest city in Assam. So this is the condition, very tough situation, very tough condition here. Dibrugarh has 22 wards, and most of the area, right now I am at ward number 13. You can see from the visuals that what kind of water that the here water is quite almost come up to the knee high, and compelling due to this the administration had to put up the the compelling no entry of two-wheelers. But people are still entering these places, and people are subjected to such kind of a condition. There are some people here who would like to interact with them. Bhaiya, आप बताइए ये हालत आज कुछ दिनों से ऐसा है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
ये लास्ट 2 दिन से ऐसा हालत है, पूरे एचएस रोड में पानी हो गया है। एचएस रोड में आज तक ऐसा हालत नहीं हुआ था, इतना गंदा पानी कभी नहीं आता था, जो कि टाउन का मेन हब बोलता है, डिब्रूगढ़ टाउन का मेन हब जिसको, उसमें ऐसा हालत हो गया है। तो बाकी डिब्रूगढ़ टाउन का क्या हाल हो रहा होगा?
इस हाल के लिए आप लोग किसको जिम्मेदार मानते हैं?
इस हाल के लिए तो देखिए, म्यूनसिपैलिटी में तो शायद अभी बोर्ड है नहीं, तो इसके लिए तो जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है उसको आके देखना चाहिए, यहाँ पे करना चाहिए इस चीज के लिए कि टाउन में ऐसा हालत क्यों हो रहा है।
क्या गुजारिश?
सरकार से ये गुजारिश है कि जल्दी से जल्दी व्यवस्था लेके इस पानी को टनवाया जाए, यहाँ से निकाला जाए, ताकि हम लोग को वापस नॉर्मल लाइफ मिल जाए।
So as you heard, Priyana, that businessmen here, this is the HS road, the busiest road, the main business area of Dibrugarh. You can see from the visuals. I would like to request my camera person to show once again that what is the condition of the town here, and the people here, they are facing immense trouble due to this urban flooding. And Priyana, the most important thing is that due to mismanagement and total allegations, there are allegations of corruption also on the Dibrugarh Municipal Board, which is now, of course, a defunct body. They have misappropriated funds up to the tune of around 300 crores, which was provided by the Asian Development Bank for development of alternate drains into Dibrugarh. But that could not be finished on time.
Right.
And there are more people. Dada, apni ki khobor khoje? Acha, to so that is the main issue here, that non-completion of drainage system has compelled this kind of.
Exactly, Ripunjay. Indeed, a very sorrowful situation there. Ripunjay, we have also learned that Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal have instructed the authorities of the affected district to reach out to the flood-hit people on a war footing during the relief and rescue operation. Well, tell us, has there been any operation taken place there yet?
Priyana, that is the irony. Actually, Chief Minister Sonowal belongs to Dibrugarh town only. He has his house here, and his town is today reeling under this kind of a pathetic condition. কি ক'ব খোজে আপোনালোকে?
আমাৰ ফালে নাম আইচ ফেক্টৰীৰ ওচৰত যে নামঘৰটো আছে একদম গোটেই পানী উমা হৈ গৈছে গোটেই ঘৰৰ ভিতৰতে
90% জেগা পানী
90% আছে একদম চিয়'ৰ 100% চিয়'ৰ আছে গোটেই যিবিলাক যে নদী নালা কিনাৰ যিকেইটা মানুহ যে আছে এইকেইটা অৱস্থা একেবাৰে বেয়া আছে এইবিলাক থাকিবলৈ কোনো ঠাই নাই য'ত যি জেগা পাইছে সেইকেইটা মানুহ তাত গৈছে
शासन की तरफ से कोई मदद आ रहा है?
सरकार की तरफ से अभी तक तो कोई उनको पता नहीं जहाँ तहाँ अगर किसी को मिला भी अगर होगा तो वो पता नहीं है लेकिन फिलहाल तो अभी तक किसी को सरकार की तरफ से नहीं मिला जो है कोई स्कूल में ठहर रहा है कोई विवाह भवन में हम लोग जितना सक रहा है कि विवाह भवन में हम लोग उनको मदद कर रहे हैं हम लोग जितना हो सका है मारवाड़ी समाज का भी तरफ से हम लोग सुना है कि वो विवाह भवन में उन लोग को जगह दिया जैसे आई हिंदी स्कूल के पास में जितना भी घर है उनका वो सब बेचारा पानी में पूरा डूब गया उनका सामान सभी नष्ट हो गया है जितना फैमिली जितना बचा सका है वो अपना सिर्फ फैमिली को लेके विवाह भवन में आके रुका हुआ है
So, see, Priyana, this is the condition here. People have been no help from the administration till now in terms of relief and rehabilitation. But some NGOs, some organization has, of course, stepped in. They have come in to help the people who are suffering from this kind of. And Priyana, just you can see that since I am holding an umbrella, it's raining quite heavily here. And it has been raining for the last 3 days. And more bad news is that the weatherman here has predicted more rains, which they said, according to the prediction, is that will continue till July 2nd or 3rd. So that means the situation will become more worse from bad.